Hey, good afternoon. Happy Tuesday. So, where I'm at now with this hammer is like I said, I got the little flag deal welded on there. And so what I did was I ordered some bearings. These bearings right here. And what these are is skateboard bearing. So what I did is I went and got some 5/16 bolts. Get it up here. Bolting those on the end so that you can unbolt them and replace them. Simple, simple. And then the other side, and I will cut this will be cut down shorter, but just for the sake of showing you what I'm doing and what my what my idea is what be coming down from the top frame down with something, I don't know what yet, and these will simply right here. I've got 10 of the bearings, so I'll probably do 3 per side, but they'll be welded on here, one on this side, one on the other side, and that will keep this from back like this. Keep it centered. Nice and simple, the way I like it. I think it'll work well with bearings rather than just rubbing up against a slot in the metal. Once I get that, I've got to go get another fitting for the pedal. You can see on this pedal that they put the inlet and the outlet so close together that you can't get the fittings on there. So I'm gonna have to do a right turn on one of them. So I gotta run to the store and get that. Once I do that and get these bearings put on here, I can try it out and see what and see what happens. Oh, it's pretty light. That's the only thing. It's pretty light. I hope it doesn't jump all over the place, but if it does, I'll figure it out, like always. So that's what's going on. And yesterday, I'll show you this too. I didn't film it all yesterday when I was out here, but the old Plymouth, I went ahead and cut the floors out on the passenger side. Pretty beat up over here. Looks like they might have had some parties over on this side or something, I don't know. But that's where I'm at on that. So, that's what's going on in the old shop. There's Bodie. He's chasing bugs. All right. So I'll check back with you later.